Costa Mesa is one of those cities people move through until they realize they should move to it. If you're thinking about moving to Costa Mesa, California, this video will help you understand what different price points actually look like in real life. Today, I'm touring homes in Eastside Costa Mesa, Mesa Verde, and South Coast Metro so that you can see what lifestyle fits you best. Costa Mesa tends to work best for buyers who value lifestyle, central location, and neighborhood feel. Whether you're relocating, upsizing, downsizing, or buying your first home, the key here is choosing the right pocket. Each one feels very different. That's why understanding the neighborhoods matters just as much as understanding the numbers. I'm Barrett Hayden, a local Orange County realtor. Costa Mesa is one of the most versatile cities in the area. And even within the same city, neighborhoods can feel completely different. Let's start on the east side. I'll walk you through what these areas feel like day to day, how pricing differs by neighborhood, and what buyers should expect in Costa Mesa real estate market in early 2026. If you're thinking about living in Costa Mesa, this video will give you real clarity. Today, I'm touring homes in Costa Mesa. What buyers usually love about homes in this area is the character. You'll see a mix of original charm and updated interiors. Floor plans tend to feel livable, and outdoor spaces are often designed for entertaining. These Eastside Costa Mesa homes show the range you'll see, from fully updated coastal-style properties to classic homes with renovation potential. This area consistently holds value in Costa Mesa housing market. Price points on the east side typically sit at the higher end of Costa Mesa, but many buyers feel the lifestyle and location justify the premium. This first home is in Eastside Costa Mesa, one of the most sought-after areas because of its proximity to Newport Beach, walkability, and overall neighborhood charm. Homes here tend to appeal to buyers who want a coastal feel without being directly on the water. This $1,995,000 home has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, plus an ADU. It is lovely. Welcome to your dream home in Costa Mesa's coveted East Side neighborhood. This beautifully remodeled single-family residence combines modern flair with timeless charm, offering 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The second bathroom having been recently added for your convenience. Inside, you'll find an open and welcoming floor plan, highlighted by sleek finishes and contemporary design elements. The spacious living area transitions smoothly into the updated kitchen, equipped with cutting-edge appliances, stylish cabinetry, and elegant quartz countertops. Each bedroom is designed as a peaceful retreat, and the remodeled bathrooms feature modern fixtures and a refreshing style. Step outside to enjoy the well-maintained yard, perfect for relaxation or entertaining, featuring a cozy fire pit with circular surrounding seats, ideal for gatherings and cozy evenings. Situated in a wonderful neighborhood, this home offers easy access to top-rated schools, trendy shops, and diverse dining options. Don't miss out on the chance to call this beautiful property your own. This beautiful $4,190,000 home is 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. It's 3,278 square feet. Tucked behind privacy hedges on a coveted block in Eastside Costa Mesa, this thoughtfully designed custom residence blending timeless architecture with refined modern traditional interiors. Set within a generous enclosed front yard, the home features an inviting front porch with outdoor fireplace and brick detailing, ideal for alfresco dining, offering a rare sense of privacy and an immediate feeling of retreat. The personal residence of a notable interior designer, the interiors reflect a collected, intentional design philosophy with custom fit and finishes throughout. Vaulted ceilings with reclaimed oak beams A white brick fireplace and abundant natural light anchor the main living spaces, while the chef's kitchen features a generous center island, London quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, open shelving, and a built-in breakfast nook. Open sightlines connect seamlessly to the dining area, family room, and a flexible adjoining space suitable for a playroom, office, or gym. The main level primary suite includes a spa-inspired suite, bath with soaking tub, dual head shower, and a walk-in closet. A guest powder bath, spacious laundry room, and built-in mudroom complete the main level. Upstairs offers a secondary family room, 3 additional bedrooms, and 2 bathrooms, including a reconfigured layout where a former walk-in closet has been transformed into an ensuite bathroom. Additional highlights include zoned air conditioning, a second-floor laundry suite, a second-floor laundry chute, a tankless water heater, built-in speakers, and an oversized 2-car garage with EV charging, ideally located near award-winning schools, 17th Street shops and restaurants, and the beach. This beautiful home offers effortless Eastside living. This beautiful home is nestled on a desirable corner lot in the heart of Eastside Costa Mesa. This Cape Cod-inspired residence offers timeless charm paired with thoughtful modern updates. With great possibilities to add an ADU above the garage, this beautiful home is 2,151 square feet. Mesa Verde tends to land in a more approachable price range compared to Eastside Costa Mesa, which makes it appealing for buyers who want value without leaving Central Orange County.
This home is a great example of how Mesa Verde trades proximity for space, and for many people, that's a worthwhile exchange.
This home is located in Mesa Verde, an area known for wider streets, a quieter residential feel, and proximity to golf courses and bike trails. Buyers are here often looking for a little more space and a more traditional neighborhood setting. Homes in Mesa Verde often offer larger lots and layouts that work well for families or anyone wanting room to spread out. You'll notice the pace here feels calmer compared to the east side. This $1,499,000 home has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and is 1,557 square feet. Owners will appreciate the home's close proximity to the beach, excellent shopping, and dining. Also, John Wayne Airport, making everyday living and travel both convenient and enjoyable. With its premier location, generous lot size, and rare cul-de-sac setting, this property presents a very unique opportunity to own in one of Mesa Verde's most sought-after areas. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers an exceptional blend of privacy, space, and potential. Set on an extra-large, private lot, the property features a backyard retreat, complete with a private pool, perfect for entertaining or enjoying Southern California living year-round. The home has been thoughtfully updated over time while still retaining select original features, offering the ideal opportunity for a buyer to customize and elevate to their taste. The last area we'll look at today is more centrally located and very convenient.
We're starting in South Coast Metro, which is one of the most central and evolving parts of Costa Mesa. This area attracts professionals, relocators, and buyers who want convenience above all else. You're close to major freeways, shopping, dining, and employment hubs, and that location drives demand here. These 2 homes show how price points in South Coast Metro often trade outdoor space for accessibility and newer finishes. If you want walkability, proximity, and energy, this area tends to make sense.
This home is in South Coast Metro, close to shopping, dining, freeway access, and John Wayne Airport. This area attracts buyers who prioritize convenience and a more urban lifestyle. Here, you'll see a mix of condos, townhouses, and single-family residences. Many buyers like this area because it offers easier commutes and access to everyday amenities.
This beautiful $1,949,900 home has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It is 2,186 square feet, and it is just a hidden gem. This is an amazing home.
Welcome to Mesa Woods, the highly desirable city of Costa Mesa. This gorgeously updated modern home is ideally situated on a quiet cul-de-sac, offering added privacy, minimal traffic, and a true neighborhood feel. Upon entering, you're greeted by soaring vaulted ceilings, luxury vinyl plank flooring, a stunning fireplace, and an abundance of natural light that fills the home. The sleek, modern kitchen overlooks the backyard, making it the perfect space for everyday living and entertaining. The primary bedroom is conveniently located on the first floor and features a beautifully updated ensuite bath, a walk-in closet, and elegant doors that open directly to the backyard. A stylish powder bath downstairs is perfect for guests. Upstairs, you'll find 3 additional bedrooms and a full bathroom with a tub. The outdoor space is truly idyllic, offering multiple areas to relax and entertain. Thanks to the home's unique placement, enjoy the pool and spa complete with a removable safety fence, ideal for both everyday enjoyment and hosting gatherings. Additional highlights include owned solar and a prime location in one of Costa Mesa's most sought-after neighborhoods. Don't wait. This exceptional home won't last.
This $1,500,000 home has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. This beautiful home is 1,787 square feet.
This beautifully remodeled single-story corner lot home featuring a brand new kitchen and new flooring throughout. This contemporary meets Santa Cruz style home offers 1,787 square feet of bright open living space on a 6,500 square foot lot. Spacious living room includes a custom volcanic rock fireplace, recessed lighting, scraped ceilings, and neutral tones. The newly renovated kitchen features modern cabinetry, updated countertops, and newer appliances, seamlessly flowing into the dining area. Both bathrooms are updated with custom tile and contemporary finishes, including a walk-in shower, the expanded primary suite with dual closets. Additional features include central air, heat, tankless water heater, and an upgraded LiftMaster garage opener with battery backup. The expansive private backyard offers a raised deck under mature trees, a hot and cold outdoor shower, and low-maintenance landscaping. With only one neighbor, no road noise, a prime location near South Coast Plaza, OCC, the OC Fairgrounds, award-winning schools, and major freeways. This home offers style, comfort, and convenience in one of Costa Mesa's most desirable neighborhoods. I'm showing these 3 neighborhoods together because Costa Mesa really is about matching lifestyle to location, not just price. What works for one buyer may feel completely different to another buyer. Eastside Costa Mesa offers walkability and coastal proximity. Mesa Verde provides space and a quieter feel. And South Coast Metro delivers convenience and accessibility. All 3 are Costa Mesa, but they live very differently. Before we finish, I want to include one more home in this tour. This next property is in Westside Costa Mesa, which I didn't originally call out when I filmed the intro, but it's an important area to see when you're comparing neighborhoods and price points. Let's take a look so you can see how it fits into the bigger Costa Mesa picture.
This $1,995,000 home has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and is 1,772 square feet.
This beautiful residence is more than just a home. It's a lifestyle investment. The property underwent a major renovation, with a substantial portion rebuilt as brand new construction in 2025, fully permitted and approved by the city of Costa Mesa. The main residence spans 1,772 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms and 1 powder room, and resides on a large 7,695 square foot lot at the end of a quiet cul-de-sac with an issued ADU permits and a private pickleball ready sports court. The property offers versatility for income guest quarters or multi-generational living. Inside, 10-foot flat ceilings flood the open layout with natural light. The designer kitchen showcases Italian Stosa wood cabinetry, quartz countertops, luxury lighting, an oversized island, and a full KitchenAid appliance suite. A porcelain fireplace wall, custom millwork, and wide opening glass doors enhance the indoor-outdoor connection. Material selections are elevated throughout. Luxury vinyl flooring, quartz and marble surfaces, marble in the powder room, quartz in the primary bath, marble tile in the primary shower, and a porcelain fireplace surround. Major systems are new in 2025, including HVAC by AC Pro with Google Home Smart Controls, roof plumbing with new water lines to street and sewer line to driveway, irrigation, electrical, and 200-volt exterior power and interior sub panel. Outside, professional landscaping and accent lighting frame the modern architecture with a private pickleball court and an illuminated citrus focal tree, creating a showpiece outdoor atmosphere. Just minutes from Newport Beach and Lido Marina Village. This is a rare blend of design, lifestyle, and investment opportunity. Let's talk about the real cost of living in Costa Mesa, California, because this is one of the most asked questions I get. Housing costs make up the largest expense. Whether you're buying a home in Costa Mesa or renting, prices vary significantly between South Coast Metro, Mesa Verde, and Eastside Costa Mesa, which is why neighborhood selection matters. Utilities, transportation, groceries, and lifestyle costs align with coastal Southern California. Many residents find that living centrally in Costa Mesa reduces commute time, which offsets some expenses. As of January 2026, the Costa Mesa real estate market is steady but selective. Well-priced homes in strong neighborhoods, especially Eastside Costa Mesa and Mesa Verde, Costa Mesa, are still selling, while overpriced listings are sitting longer. Buyers are more cautious, negotiations are more thoughtful, and conditions and location matter more than ever. This is not a frenzy market. It's a market that rewards preparation and smart pricing. Costa Mesa works best for buyers who value central location, neighborhood character, and long-term value. Whether you're locating to Orange County, moving to Los Angeles, or buying locally, the key is choosing the right neighborhood for your lifestyle and budget. If you're thinking about buying or selling or relocating to Costa Mesa, California, and want help narrowing down neighborhoods like South Coast Metro, Mesa Verde, or Eastside Costa Mesa, I'm happy to help. Be sure to hit like and subscribe for more property tours, cost of living breakdowns, and local market updates across Orange County. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or relocating to Costa Mesa, California in 9 days or 90 days and want help narrowing down neighborhoods and price points, I'm happy to help. Like and subscribe for more Costa Mesa property tours, cost of living breakdowns, and local market updates across Orange County. In the next video in this Costa Mesa series, I break down the history of Costa Mesa and how it influences neighborhoods and pricing today. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it.